Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to integrate WooCommerce with GoHighLevel for e-commerce success. This integration allows you to seamlessly connect your online store with your CRM and marketing automation, creating a powerful system for managing customer relationships and sales workflows all in one place. First, you'll need to head over to the GoHighLevel login page and sign in to your account. Make sure you have your credentials ready, as accessing the right account is crucial for this integration to work properly across your business operations. Once you're logged in, take a moment to locate the agency account switcher at the top of your screen. This is particularly important if you manage multiple agencies or sub-accounts. Click on the switcher and verify that you're logged in as the agency manager account, not a sub-account. This ensures you have the proper permissions to install apps across your organization. Now direct your attention to the left side menu where you'll find various options for navigating GoHighLevel. Click on the option labeled App Marketplace. This is your gateway to all the third-party integrations and tools that can extend GoHighLevel's functionality and connect it with other platforms you're already using for your business. In the App Marketplace, you'll notice a search bar at the top of the page. Click into it and type WooCommerce. Several results will populate, but you're looking for one specific integration. Scroll through the results until you find the app named WooCommerce for Workflow and click on it to proceed. You'll be directed to the overview page for this integration. Take a few moments to read through the description carefully. You'll see important details such as pricing information, the app category, and the current app version. Scroll down to explore more details about features and capabilities. This gives you a clear picture of what you're installing and how it will enhance your workflow. Once you've reviewed everything and feel confident about moving forward, click the Install button. A pop-up menu will appear asking you to specify which account or sub-account you want WooCommerce to be installed on. This step is important because it determines where the integration will be active. Select the appropriate account from the drop-down menu, then click Continue to finalize the installation. And that's it. You've successfully set up the foundation for integrating WooCommerce with GoHighLevel, enabling you to manage your e-commerce operations alongside your marketing and customer management tools. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.